In today's video, we're going for a New Hampshire day hike that is guaranteed to get your feet wet, totally loathe the word Talus, and possibly kick your ass so hard you might not even make it to the summit.
Weather warning, bear warning. Feeling nervous now. Let's see how this goes. I think I should be good for the weather. And luckily I don't have much food on me, so I think I should be all right, but we'll see. Eerie.
Don't be like this guy. Just go get yourself wet. There are like 17 stream crossings on this trail. You're gonna get wet. Just get used to it, accept it, and go through. This nice, flat, long trail will lull you into a false sense of security for hours as you get to the real trail.
Well, I've scouted the stupid thing out. I don't think there's a way for me to get across without just walking right through the water. It's a little chilly today. Not what I would want to do. But it's what I think I have to do. Looks like I'm going to get some wet feet. Well, I made it. Man, not as cold as I thought, I guess. I'll take that silver lining. Whew. After all that, we finally made it to our goal for the day. Castle Ravine Trail. It's about to get more extreme from here, so I've heard. Can't wait to find out. So we got another big stream crossing here. Very quick, very deep. I'm resigned to the fact that I'm gonna get wet, but I gotta try and come up with a game plan to get not as wet. I think my game plan will be I can get on this rock, sit on this one, pivot my legs across the gap to that one in the middle, get my butt on this big rock, and then shimmy down to the shallow water there, and hop up over there. I think that's my plan. If you're gonna see it, you're gonna see it through my mouth. I'm not doing this twice, but oh my gosh.
You can really see how the ceiling looked like it was set on yellow fire. I think I might secretly actually be hiking in some peak foliage here the higher I get up the mountain.
Well, getting wet again. Here we go.
Oh, but yes, a very cloudy day starting to hike into the mist.
I am so friggin' mad right now, everyone. I have to show you this. Here's a stream crossing. That over there is the path. I had to freaking get wet, come across here. Oh, was it worth it? Do-do-do. No, it wasn't. Look at it. See that little white thing there? That's the path. Back on the other side of the stream. Why the hell did I have to cross it? They couldn't find a way to make the trail go 20 feet on that side of the brook. I'm at a loss for words. I'm gonna get wet again. I'm pissed off. Ugh, my goodness. What is with this trail? I don't get it. It's like they're doing it on purpose.
Entering the Alpine Zone.
Well, this looks a bit tricky. I think I've made it to the Talus field. Pretty clear. Oh, too bad on the weather though. Looks like it would have been an amazing view.
These freaking clouds sure made this loose talus field even more terrifying and tricky to navigate. I can only imagine what the view behind me must have looked like if it was actually a clear day.
Been at it a while now. Pretty tired. Hoped it would clear up as the day went on. It did not. Disappointing because I bet the view from here would be unreal. Another quarter-mile horizontal. Who knows how much vertical. This is a tough one. More climbing to go.
Thank goodness for all those cairns.
Well, friends, I think I've made it to the end of my journey today. Not exactly what I had planned. I think I see Jefferson rising over there, but it's too late in the day, and I already got some night hiking ahead of me. I can't go up and make it, but I did bag this trail. Boom. All of Castle Ravine. There's other ways to the top of Jefferson. I can always get it another time. Plus, I don't know if you can see, not a lot of point getting up there. What a great view I would get anyways. Oh, and for those wondering, yes, that thing creeped me out on the way up. I thought it was like a golem or monster or something. All right, time to not get lost on my way back. Would we call this fog, or is this just clouds at this height? I think it's just clouds. I'll see you in the guide. Holy moly, guys. I can't freaking believe it. All this time, and there it is. Oh my gosh. Oh. It just came out of nowhere. Holy crap. Like, seriously. If only that happened a little earlier in the day.
And welcome back. I have 3 words for you. Loose, Talus, field. Add that to the list of things I utterly despise. Well, that was supposed to be Mt Jefferson and Adams 5 via the Castle Ravine Trail, located near Randolph, New Hampshire in the White Mountain National Forest. Mt Jefferson is one of the presidential summits that is on the New Hampshire 48 4,000-footer hiking list, and the steep, loose Talus field portion of the Castle Ravine Trail counts as an elective on the terrifying 25. The Jefferson summit would have been 5,712 feet tall tall, and the Adams 5 summit would have been 5,217 feet tall. And ultimately, I followed a loop trail across Israel Ridge that wound up being around 8.5 miles total. The full hiking loop I wanted to complete and recommend that would hit both Jefferson and Adams 5 summits would be around 10 miles total.
The difficulty designation here should be fairly obvious. This trail is very long, extremely steep, kinda scary with the loose rocks and all of those stream crossings. I can't give it any other rating but uphill both ways. Now, if you are so inspired to go tackle this trail yourself, first definitely go hit that like button, it really helps me out a lot, and then check out the custom all trails map that I created with pictures and landmarks that I have linked in the description down below. My conclusion for this one is rather straightforward. I don't recommend this trail for most people. It was so long, very steep. That Talus field and all those stream crossings, not for the faint at heart. I was actually more terrified doing this trail than I am doing many of the other trails on the actual terrifying 25. And if it was up to me, I think this trail should be graduated to the main list from the elective list. I think the only thing really saving me that day was the fact that it was as cloudy as it was, so I couldn't see just how big the steep drop-off was behind me while I was hiking that trail. But hey, that's just my opinion. Now go get hiking.